Hi, today we're doing puzzle number 2.26, find the missing value, difficulty level 2. And what we have in front of us are 3 rows with 2 different types of shapes, which add up across to a number. And then we have to solve for the unknown number on the far right on the bottom where the question mark is. So the top row, we have 2 large shapes and 2 small shapes, and that equals 18. So for algebra, we'll substitute the large shape, we'll call that x, and the small shape, we'll call that y. So now we have 2 x's and 2 y's equals 18, or 2x plus 2y equals 18. If we divide by 2 to simplify, we have x plus y equals 9, or y equals 9 minus x. So now we go to the next row. We have 1x and 3 y's, or x plus 3y equals 11. We substitute y with what we solved in the first row, 9 minus x. So x plus 3 times parentheses 9 minus x unparentheses equals 11. We solve that out. We have x plus 27 minus 3x equals 11. So now we add the x's together. We'll have 27 minus 2x equals 11. We subtract 27 from both sides. We have negative 2x equals negative 16. We divide by 2. We have negative x equals negative 8, or x equals 8. So now in the bottom row, we'll simply substitute the x for an 8. We have 3 of them, or 3x equals 3 times 8 equals 24. All right, so that's how you solve these types of problems. Hope you had fun. Bye.